Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to disable notifications on your page cover photo using the Facebook app on your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you're tired of getting notifications every time someone comments or reacts to your page's cover photo, this video is here to save you some peace and quiet. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on your PC. Then, open the Facebook app. Once it's loaded, head to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile photo. Click on your profile photo. This will bring up a menu where you'll see all the pages you manage. Next, select the page where you want to turn off notifications for the cover photo. Once you're on your page, look at the top of the screen. You'll see your cover photo displayed prominently. Click directly on your cover photo to open it. Now, beneath the cover photo, look for 3 small dots. This icon represents more options and is usually found just under the photo towards the right side. Click on the 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options in the menu, select Turn off notifications for this post. Clicking this will immediately stop notifications about reactions or comments on your page's cover photo. From now on, you won't be interrupted every time someone interacts with that specific post. That's all it takes. Just a few quick steps, and you're free from unnecessary notifications cluttering up your day. Remember, you can come back and turn notifications back on at any time by repeating these steps and choosing Turn on notifications for this post if you ever change your mind. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share with others who might need a notification break too. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.